Hi guys, welcome back. It's Monday. Happy Monday. It is not looking good for Diddy. Less than 3 months before Diddy's federal trial, one of his attorneys, Anthony Ricco, is unexpectedly leaving the case. Anthony Ricco, who joined Diddy's defense team in September 2024, filed a motion on Friday in a New York federal court to withdraw as his lawyer. In the filing, he stated that he can no longer effectively represent Diddy while following legal standards. He asked the court to approve his request to step down. In the documents, Anthony Ricco states, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, consistent with the ABA standards for criminal justice. It is respectively, but regrettably requested that the court grant the relief requested. Anthony Ricco assured the court that his departure would not delay the trial, scheduled for May 5th. He also suggested that he couldn't share details due to attorney-client privilege. Now, according to sources, Anthony Ricco felt he was unable to establish or maintain the kind of relationship he would need to have with the client in order to effectively defend him. There had been a power struggle for months between lead attorney Mark Agnifilo and Anthony Ricco, which finally reached a breaking point. The conflict within Diddy's legal team focused on the sex trafficking allegations, with disagreements over how to handle that part of the federal indictment at trial. Sources say Anthony Ricco became frustrated when he was blocked from speaking directly to Diddy about legal strategies. He felt this prevented him from properly defending Diddy. Anthony Ricco also believed they would not be ready for trial by the scheduled May 5th start date and wanted to ask the judge for more time. His counsel disagreed. Tensions escalated, and Anthony Ricco decided to walk away. So here's an interesting fact about Anthony Ricco. In 2001, he worked as a lawyer on the World Trade Center bombing and defended Osama bin Laden. That's right. He was on Osama bin Laden's defense team. He also specializes in state and federal court hearings and has served as the lead attorney in 45 death penalty cases. In some of these cases, he was able to save his clients from execution. And he was born and raised in Harlem, New York. So, do you believe this is why he's stepping down? I don't know. I'm not buying it because the guy defended Osama bin Laden. But he wants out because he can't get close to Diddy? I don't know. But could this really be why he wants out? U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi revealed on Friday that she is in possession of various documents related to Jeffrey Epstein, including his client list, and hinted that they could soon be released to the public. She says, "It's sitting on my desk right now to review. That's been a directive by President Trump." Check this out.
Just talked about a lot, and you have when it comes to Jeffrey Epstein and the people who are like predators in this country. Yeah. They've been given a pass, and a lot of Americans think these guys have got a pass for a long time and maybe even are still being protected right now. Where are we at with the Jeffrey Epstein list, the documents? And Cash has made a lot of public statements about this. Where are we at?
I was briefed on that yesterday. I can't talk about that publicly, but President Trump has given a very strong directive, and that's going to be followed.
Wow. Okay, so
a lot of documents.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So people can expect actual movement on this. It's not just empty promises.
Oh, Donald Trump doesn't make empty promises.
Yeah, right.
I think promises made, promises kept, and that's why we're all there to carry out his directive about making America safe and prosperous.
Yeah, pretty suspicious, right? Because the very next day after she said that, Anthony Ricco wants out, and he says under no circumstances can he continue to represent Diddy. Wow. I don't know, but all we can do is sit back and watch because it is not looking good for Diddy. And also, his lawyers are trying to get some evidence from the raids on his Los Angeles and Miami homes thrown out, claiming the feds lied to get the search warrants, according to new court filings. His legal team argues that authorities made false statements and left out key evidence that could clear him when requesting warrants to search his homes, iCloud, and phones as part of their high-profile sex trafficking investigation. This claim was made in a motion filed Sunday in Manhattan federal court. It says, evidence federal prosecutors obtained through searches of Sean Diddy Combs' homes in Los Angeles and Miami and elsewhere must be suppressed because the warrants that authorized those searches were unconstitutional. Defense attorneys argued Sunday in a new court filing. The defense argued the warrant applications for the Diddy's houses, iCloud accounts, phones, and hotel room were overbroad, excluded facts that could have been favorable to Combs, and presented a grossly distorted picture of reality. The heavily redacted defense motion does not publicly reveal the specifics of what prosecutors allegedly omitted, but said the warrant applications eliminated important context that the magistrate judge who approved them should have seen, including about a certain witness that the defense contended had no reason to fabricate and embellish. Yeah, so it's not looking good for Diddy. This guy wants evidence thrown out. What is he hiding? A lot. And let me tell you, a lot of these things will not make it into the courtroom because they have to protect themselves and each other because they are still part of the same club. And you have this lawyer who wants nothing to do with Diddy. He wants out. Right after Pam Bondi stated that she has the Epstein list on her desk. So what's really going on? And Pam Bondi needs to stop delaying the process because we have been waiting for years. So what's the wait? What's the holdup, Pam Bondi? What is the holdup? Let's go. Let's go. We have been waiting for years. The public needs to know because a lot of them still believe that celebrities are good people. They believe that these celebrities are good people or these politicians, these high-profile people are good people. So the public needs to see the list. So let's go, Pam Bondi. Okay, let's not waste any more time. All right. That is all, you guys. What are your thoughts on all of this? Leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Share if you like. And I will see you on the next one. Peace.